Okay, lots of people have now either given their CFAs or assigned a different formative to their classes, and they want to know why aren't the scores showing up in their Aries gradebook or in their Canvas gradebook. I will show you how to do that right now. So first thing I would like to point out is that I have a formative up for you here. Okay, this is my formative. I am inside my Canvas course. That is important. If you go directly to the formative website, this will not work. So make sure that you are inside Canvas. You are forcing the kids to access it through Canvas, and you are accessing it through Canvas. Okay. Also, make sure you have some responses. Okay. Student names are hidden here, but if you scroll down here, you can see I have responses here. Fourth period did much better. It seems like the more I taught it, the worse things got, which is exactly what you want. So. Anyway, given this, I want to get these scores, as bad as they are, into the gradebook on Canvas so that I can sync it to Aries. So first things first, I'm not going to export. I'm going to come over here to the three dots. I will click the three dots for more options and come down to grade Passback. Okay. When you do this from inside Canvas, you should see the Passback grades to Canvas. Like I said before, if you go directly to the formative website, it will not work. It will show up as setup LTI or something along those lines, which you do not want. So go ahead and click Passback grades to Canvas and select your class. Okay. After I select my class, I can select multiple classes at once. I'm not going to do that now because it will show you student names and I don't want you to see the names of their scores. But once that's done, you will hit send. And after you hit send, it will send it to your Canvas gradebook. Then next time you sync to Aries, the scores will be there and you can sync them, and that's it. Okay. If you have any other questions, let me know. I hope this has been helpful.